Hello everyone, this is a 32-inch Casablanca Wailea, and it's here installed in my hallway on a little short down rut. And the holes on it are spaced equally apart. It's supposed to have 6 blades, but because they're spaced equally apart, you can install it with 4, which I did here. And it actually moves more air that way, so it's kind of neat. And I put this light kit on it. It's from a Hampton Bay Metairie, which I gave to my friend JR. So here's the light on, and we'll start with the fan running. It starts out on low, I think. Yeah. Medium, which is noticeably faster. It's got a little bit of a wobble to it. And high. This fan has a really big motor in it. I don't know the exact size. I'm sure someone who knows better than I could tell. I want to say 153 by 20. I know it's motor for a 52-inch fan, and it's got an adapter on it to make it 6-bladed from 4. It's kind of like a flywheel in a lot of ways. So I could actually install this with 4 52-inch Hunter fan blades on it by taking that adapter off. As you can see, the spin down time is very respectable. I used to have this fan in the laundry room at my parents' house. That house has been sold, so I took it down, put a blank plate in its spot, along with the fans in the bathrooms, and all the other fans were replaced with lights or cheap fans from the apartment complex I work at or whatever. I didn't leave any of my fans in that house. So, and there we have it. That is it, and I hope you enjoyed.